Hi friends, today we are going to see how to make donuts. It's not I'm not giving recipe, just how I'm making the donuts in watercolors. It's a opaque watercolors, gouache. Let's start with basic sketch. I didn't take too much time for this, just simple round structures, some 12 numbers. This reference photo I have taken from internet thanks to original photographer. I don't know his name, his or her. So just basic structure, kind of making ulunda vadas. Yeah, and the box outside. It hardly takes some 10 minutes. It's a rough idea because details and all everything I give at the time of painting only. Since we are doing opaque watercolors, here first dark color, then finally light color, dark to light approach. It's entirely different from transparent watercolors, whatever we are seeing. It's a new medium for me, just I'm learning. Still I'm doing some mistakes, more mistakes. Actually I could have done the background box first. That would be give more beautiful picture than this. Okay, but I'm mainly interested to do donuts because of the vibrant colors. I recently bought some new color box also, watercolor box. So I wanted to test that. It's simple actually. If you think of 12 donuts, it's difficult. If you complete one by one donut, it's very simple. If you take the last corner one, left side, it's a dark brown color, then light brown, then white color highlights with some nuts on overlay it. So we can do easily. You can watch, you can easily understand it. Yeah, actually this one took 4 hours to completion. Here I am making into 10-minute video. 4 hours are not a single stretch. Every day some half an hour or 1 hour I am spending on it. See, this color I am using, this is not white, kind of some new color, buff titanium. Here the slide will be upcoming slide next thing, because I am preserving white for highlights. So it's kind of some sandal color, sandal to white color. It's in Daniel Smith watercolors. This color is available. I think you can get separate tubes also. See, now I am concentrating on first two donuts. They are similar, like twins. Base color, then middle color, then some highlights I am using. Since I started using opaque watercolors, I am mixing colors with white color, so I took more freedom on that. So it's more easy than normal transparent watercolors. There are more restrictions are there. White color you should not use, black color you should not use. If everything is actually recording stopped in between. First of all, I completed base layers for all the donuts by putting some colors, because something I filled up. Otherwise I should not think of only I need to do that area, this area. Base color everything I have filled. You can ask me why I am using brown color sketchbook, because I bought it, so I am using. I don't know what exact reason I can say. Here background you can see some notes I have written. More color, less water with the brush, small brush, to give the sprinkles. I was talking about the brown color sketchbook now, because it's getting bored to continuously seeing white background. Otherwise we need to spend some time for backgrounds. Here naturally the background is brown color, kind of some retro view. See, now I am putting nuts, textures. I am going to put more textures on the donut. In bottom I put more dark color, brown color, then slightly medium colors I am putting. Over to that I am using that, already I told, that buff titanium with more colors with very less water. I am using with the dry brush technique. Dry brush technique means very less water, just more color. You directly take the brush and dip into color. Already color was wet, because we are using that. So that colors, it will take more pigments. So I can directly put that in a texture. You see, it will show. See, dry brush already I explained. So if you put that in a dot dot dot, it will give a kind of nuts. If you take that painting and zoom it up, it will be very clear. Here in the video, most of the thing this color box and reference picture is showing. So highlights and all I am showing. It's a kind of painting, more creamy way, milky consistency of colors. Using that creamy milky consistency with this kind of sweets that already told about buff titanium, that color code is there. For bright places where white not used, preserving white for that. Okay, what I thought, yeah, it's a more milky way, milky consistency, so more delicious kind of painting. I was painting this one for over 5 to 6 days. At some point of time, okay, we will stop it. So I stopped sometime. Actually, I wanted to delivery on today. It's 18th December. It's a special day. It's my birthday. So I'm giving sweets to you. Take it and enjoy. I don't know. I'm doing realistic or hyper realistic. I don't know. I'm not approaching that way. I wanted to spend some time. I wanted to spend some time on this painting, not only this painting, whatever painting I'm doing, kind of meditation. So I'm doing more detailing work. I don't know, with this video you can get everything right or not, I don't know, but you need to practice. See, for this black color and all, in watercolor way, transparent watercolor way, normally I use ultramarine blue plus raw umber. See, that two paints only got over in my color palette, because from ultramarine blue plus raw umber, by mixing of this you can get dark black to very light gray. You can get variety of shades. So some sweet balls are in there, in that yellow and red color donut. There I put dots, colored dots now. Colored dots. Some highlights for donuts. I exchanged the donuts colors. Here in the bottom yellow, here also some nuts are there over there. So I am putting there in texture. I will see, if you see that yellow and red color donut over, I put some color dots. In the color dots, I put little white highlights. In bottom I put some shadows with grey color, so it will become balls, some sweet balls. It will give some dimension. So if you see, basically in structure we drawn only circles only. Now if you see, it's kind of volumes you are getting, because by adding color values. So it's easily understandable for you, I think. It's almost we are end of the painting. So since it's a brown color, so I am using more color, because whatever color applies, it's kind of, it will fade out after some time. So we need to apply more color. See, some textures I am giving with a dry brush are more pigment. Still I didn't get exact colors, but manageable. Yeah, some more fine details. If you give more details, it kind of gimmicks to cheat viewers. Yeah, it's exactly like this. Some box. So we need to capture the perspective of the box. And after this video, I forgot to take some fine touches I have done. I couldn't take that video. Hope you are enjoying this video. Please like. If you need any doubts or any clarification, any link about materials, you can comment here. I will reply for this. Thanks for watching, viewers. Sorry, viewers, friends. Fastest fingers, I think. Thank you.